Respected Rahul Gandhi ji, Karnataka CM Sri Siddaramaiah ji, and women and men who came from all over the country from OBC caste, I really congratulate for this revolutionary movement in the Congress history. Congress liberated us, particularly the OBCs, Dalits, Adivasis from the British. Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Ambedkar liberated us from the oppressive British. But after that, there was no leader of national stature, international stature, to liberate us from the caste oppression of RSS BJP type. And once this RSS BJP have come to power, ruled for 11 years, all the OBCs started going into that oppressor's fold, that oppress us more, we will be slaves. I was crying in my bed and I was listening Rahul Gandhi speaking about the country and the nation. In 2021, in this hall, women and men, we were just few hundreds here from the Congress party fold, some intellectuals and party leaders, we have started this revolutionary movement in OBC. And I thought, in 21st century, if there is no single leader who can liberate us from this bloody caste which destroyed us, we will not be liberated because Modi-like leader has come to destroy us. And I found Rahul Gandhi is the only leader who can liberate us from this oppressive, destructive caste system. Today he started steps. His first step was Bharat Jodo Yatra. His second step was Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra for ourselves. And the third step, wherever Congress is power, he started getting caste census done. This was historic. And I am the vice chairman of the expert committee that Congress government appointed. We have seen Telangana Congress data that 56% OBCs. Now Telangana government asked 42% reservation for OBCs. Is it just or not? Tell us. Is it okay or not? 42 is okay or not? 42 we should achieve or not? We should achieve. Why? Because in Telangana, the upper castes are only 9.9%, but they are getting 10% reservation. Look at the tragedy. And Rahul ji has come to change that entirely. That is a revolution. That is the revolution that Ambedkar led. That is the revolution that Mahatma Gandhi, therefore he gave. Can anybody imagine in the country and the world? And I think BJP RSS never imagined a person born in Motilal Nehru family, Jawaharlal Nehru family, would give a slogan one day, Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim and Jai Samvidhan. That is Rahul Gandhi. So today, to liberate OBCs, once OBCs are liberated from BJP, BJP will not be in power, it will never come into power at all. The power of the OBCs, Dalits, Adivasis, that I hope Rahul Gandhi, he is facing hundreds of cases. Wherever he goes, there are cases. There are now OBC liars, Dalit liars, Adivasi liars across the country. Stand up for him and protect from going him to jail. That is our role. We, the intellectuals, the universities, the colleges, the students and women. I have never seen a young woman who stood for women like Rahul Gandhi in my 73 years lifetime. That is the leader that the same Indira Gandhi, same Rajiv Gandhi, same Jawaharlal Nehru whom they are abusing, that family produced this leader for our liberation. Therefore, This is the first historic major Congress meeting of all OBC leaders sitting here on the dais ever since it was born for the first time because of him. And lastly, yesterday I visited Indira Bhavan. I was so thrilled. The moment I entered, there was big Ambedkar photo there. There was Gandhi there. There were Patel there. And there was Jawaharlal Nehru there. You know what their caste background is? Gandhi was from Banya caste. Ambedkar was from Dalit caste. Patel was from Shudra OBC caste who liberated my own state from Nizam. And Nehru was from Brahmin caste. Rahul is a mix of all castes today. He is a mix of all castes. And therefore, he is our liberator. I see only, I see him like Martin Luther King in America. And we will work with him. I'm an intellectual, I'm a writer, I'm not a Congress member, but as long as I live, my pen will work for writing for Rahul Gandhi and standing for this nation's liberation. Thank you.